In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract music from Suno AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to separate a track you made into clean, usable parts so you can mix, remix, or edit with more control. Stems are individual components of a song, like vocals, drums, stems, bass, and instruments. Extracting stems lets you adjust volumes, apply effects, or create karaoke and instrumental versions without affecting the whole mix. Start by opening Suno AI in your browser or app and log into your account. Being signed in ensures you can access your creations and use credits for processing. Once you're in, head straight to the library. This is where all of your generated tracks live, including different versions and edits. If you have a lot of content, give the page a moment to load so everything displays correctly. Find the track you created that you want to separate. Double check the title, date, and version so you're working with the right take, especially if you've generated multiple iterations. When you've located it, look for the three dots menu on that track's card or row. This menu holds additional tools related to the selected track. Click the three dots and choose Edits, then select Get Stems. This opens the stem extraction options. You'll see two choices: extract all detected stems for 50 credits, or extract only vocal and instrumental. The All Stems option attempts to separate elements like vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments into individual files, which is ideal if you plan to do detailed mixing or remix work. It costs 50 credits because it's more intensive and gives you more parts to work with. The vocal and instrumental option typically produces just two files: an isolated vocal track and a backing instrumental. It uses fewer resources and is perfect for quick karaoke versions, acapellas, or simple edits. Pick the option that matches your goal and the credits you have available. If you're unsure, start with vocal and instrumental to test the result, then return for full stems when you need deeper control. Once you've chosen, click Extract. Suno AI will process the request. This may take a bit depending on the track length and server load. Keep the tab open until it finishes to avoid interrupting the job. When the extraction completes, your separated audio files will be associated with that track as stems. From there, you can bring them into your preferred audio editor, align them at the start of the timeline, and mix confidently. If anything looks off, repeat the process with a different option to suit your project's needs.